Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. I am Abdul Moiz from grade 8B, and today I am here to present a speech on topic how corruption is affecting our progress. सरे महफिल जो बोलूँ तो ज़माने को खटकता हूँ, सरे महफिल जो बोलूँ तो ज़माने को खटकता हूँ, रहूँ चुप तो अंदर की बगावत मार देती है। बेख्तियार मेरी ज़बान पे ये अल्फाज चले आते हैं, बेख्तियार मेरी ज़बान पे ये अल्फाज चले आते हैं। शाह बिकते हैं, फ़कीर बिकते हैं, यहाँ ज़फ़ीर व कबीर बिकते हैं, इस शहर में ज़मीर बिकते हैं, इस शहर में ज़मीर बिकते हैं। By the corruption we mean immoral activities or behavior gained by some powerful organization or people. By the corruption, thus corruption results in the weaker section of the society. Corruption has a lot of form. It includes extortion, bribery, embezzlement, etc. Thus, corruption leads to be a human drug, trafficking, police spirituality and repression by the opponent CDD. Forms of corruption are both bribery involve a payment for official power. It involves a power that one pays for its favor. It involves power and it involves two parties, one who accepts power and one who accepts power and one who gives power for its favor. Illegal interference in election process is called electoral fraud. A theft or interest with the public funds. But I tell you some like economic, social and political. वजारत के भूखे, अमारत के भूखे, ये गद्दी नशीन और मखदूम है भूखे, ज़मीनों पे काबिज ये डाकू लुटेरे, मकीनों पे काबिज ये डाकू वटेरे। भूख इन भूखों की उतरती नहीं है, अवश्य इन भूखों की उतरती नहीं है। So at the last, I request you to finish the corruption from our society. It is affecting our progress very badly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.